Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm back with a new video, and today we have this power adapter, and you can see this has different sort of pins for the next adapters, and it's a 3-pin behind the back. This one is currently non-functional because it's a bit burned from this side. So just like the extension where I showed you in my previous I think like second last video, this works like exactly the same, and inside is just more different situated, that's all. So in this video we're going to destroy it with the hammer. So guys, let's start in 3, 2, 1. There goes one piece, and you can see go from that side, and let's do the other one. Like a close-up I was just said, and you can see this is here a bit broken, and it looks the same as the extension wire I showed you. And here are the prongs and stuff, they can still be removed, and this is over here is a little bulb for the switch for the light which glows at that. So let's do for one last one. So guys, that wraps it up. That was my small video of destroying a power adapter. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to like and subscribe for more interesting content. Till then, bye.